back, guys. It's Kids Film Playground here. Today we're back for another video in Scratch, and today we'll be reviewing projects from our channel studio. So we have a bunch of people in our studio, and they all post content for us to review sometimes. So today I will be reviewing some stuff. So let's get started. So I was just looking at this project, and it seemed pretty cool by Pergal Pro, and I really like the snow effect. There's also some music, but I'm just gonna turn it down. And I like the snow effect. It's just pretty simple, and you can click space to throw a snowball. So it's just like some sort of like snowball fight. So yeah. So looks pretty cool. I'd rate it pretty good. That deserves a favorite.
Okay, so I found another game called Block Dodge. So here we are with another game for project review. It's called Block Dodge. So basically it looks like it's just a game where you just dodge blocks, I guess. So let's go full screen. So let's click start. So I'm assuming you use the arrow keys. Okay, so you use the arrow keys to dodge the blocks, as you can see. It's a pretty simple game, but it's pretty cool. I would like if it had more decoration or something, it would be probably better, but like it's still pretty good. Still pretty good. Just a fun basic project, so that deserves a favorite.
So I found this cool project. You just set up some sprites and made a project. Click space to start. And it plays a cool tune, so this is cool. So I found this really cool project by Espio200, and this deserves a favorite. I have already saw it. So you start, and you can change your costume by using the up arrow. So there's the apple, the ball, and the butterfly. So if you click, the butterfly will go there, and you paint with the butterfly. I really like the costumes and the color and how you can change of what you want to paint. So you can paint something pretty cool here. So we got the ball too. Kind of looks like a caterpillar. And there's also a button called clear. So I like everything in this project. It's nice, but if it had a backdrop, it'd be cooler because a backdrop would be pretty cool. But great job. Yeah. So I found this also cool project in our studio, also by the same person, Espio200, and it is a simple platformer game, and it plays cool music, wall jump, and this is cool. I mean, like,
It's just a generic platform.
Yeah.
Like who doesn't want to play a generic platformer?
Yeah, it's just a regular platform. We got the spikes, the lava, everything. This is a really good design. I like the whole entire thing. I like the multicolored avatar and just how the game functions. It works like a really good platformer. So
the jump physics are pretty good too.
Yeah,
so I'd give them some credit for that. It was probably from some like tutorial, but that doesn't matter.
Yeah, and it's also I'm pretty sure I forgot what I was gonna say, but it has a lot of levels. So
that's pretty good.
Yeah. Like, this person put some effort into making levels, so that deserves a favorite. So, yeah. So, I just saw this project, and it's called Defense version 1.1, so I guess you're just supposed to use the arrow keys, and you use your arrows to try to defend against the...
And if something, like, goes past the line, I think then you lose. So
I'm not sure which part's the line. Yeah, the edge. Yeah.
But
pretty hard project.
One thing you would want to do is like make it so there's a delay between shooting it, because it's kind of OP just doing that.
But it's still pretty hard.
Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Our last one is a Fidget Spinner game, taking us back to 2016 when this was actually a thing. So Fidget Spinner. I'm pretty. In the description, it says it's from this guy named Guy, so I guess it's from some tutorial or something.
Check it out.
But still, we're gonna check it out anyways. So, fidget spinner, yeah. Basically, it's just a clicker. You just click the fidget spinner to get clicks.
Yeah, cookie clicker.
Or spins, whatever you call it. So.
Yeah, basically a clicker, but if you could add like some small tabs here, like
you can buy upgrades and stuff.
like
it'd be cooler.
If you buy like 2016 person, and then they would get like one spin free for like every 5 seconds. That'd be pretty cool, and you can like fidget spinner industry, whatever. So yeah, pretty good project from
this person.
Yeah. So yeah.
I'm not even gonna bother pronouncing that, but it's
so,
pretty good. Yeah.
Please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment sections below what else projects you want in our channel. But today was just a special day. We just reviewed some projects on Scratch. So anyway, see you guys next time.